Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Messenger account in a very easy way. So let's start. Alright, to do that, the first thing you need to do is open your Messenger application. Alright, then tap the three lines in the top left corner. After that, tap the settings icon and scroll down to the very bottom. And here you will see the Meta Account Center. Just tap see more to proceed. Alright, after that, go to personal details. Then tap Account Ownership and Control. Alright, you will see an option for deactivation and deletion. Just proceed. After that, choose your account, then select Delete Account. Then just tap Continue. Alright, you can choose any reason or not, then just Continue. After that, just scroll down, tap Continue again, then enter your password and tap Continue. Finally, confirm that your account will be permanently deleted by tapping Delete Account. And that's it, your account is successfully scheduled for deletion, and you will be automatically logged out.